Ramulu. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, for giving me opportunity to participate in the Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021. As the very outset, I express my sincere thanks to Union Government for bringing this amendment bill. In this context, I would like to confine my speech pertaining to these issues of scheduled caste in the state of Telangana. Sir, I would like to bring this August House that there has been long pending demand for sub-categorization of scheduled caste into ABCD group in both states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to render equal social justice to all scheduled castes in the states, as some sections of scheduled castes only immediately benefited. I wish to draw the following facts before this August House. In 1998, itself Commissioner of India for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes in the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh are not equally accessible to benefits to reservations. The Mala and Adi Andhra group of scheduled castes are connect and all earning jobs and sets in the education institution disappropriate to their population. The Madigas, the Rellis and Medar groups of castes are subjected to social injustice in reserved field of education and employment. The Madiga and Rellis and Medar of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh and Telangana had demanded for subcategorization of scheduled castes into ABCD groups and for equal justice. Considering the demand of Madigas, Rellis and Medars, the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly passed unanimous resolution thrice supporting the subcategorization. In reverence the popular support, the then Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly passed an act known as Andhra Pradesh Scheduled Caste Rationalization Reservation Act in April 2000, categorizing 59 scheduled castes into ABCD groups, allotting 7%, 6%, 1% to ABC and D groups respectively. The categorization policy was implemented for 4 years, 2000 to 2004, distributing reservation benefits equal and in proportion to the population each of scheduled caste groups in erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, but the Supreme Court of India struck down the act stating that the categorization of scheduled castes into groups is beyond the sphere of state authority, which implies that it is within the sphere of parliament authority. Consequently, the Union Government appointed National Commission of Inquiry with Honorable Justice retired Usha Mehra as its chairperson to come examine the issue subcategorization of scheduled caste. The Commission received representation from various groups within the scheduled caste in the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and allocated elaborated statistics after visiting various districts in the state. Based sufficient data, Justice Usha Mehra Commission of Inquiry felt that there is urgent need for subcategorization of scheduled caste to provide equal and proportional justice. That is Constitution Amendment Bill, sir. It is very important to the scheduled caste. Please give me time. Scheduled caste to provide equal and proportional justice. to all subcastes listed in the scheduled caste. The report of the Justice Usha Mehra Committee for subcategorization of scheduled caste into ABCD group had been forwarded to the Union Cabinet by the then Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, which is pending for clearance from Union Cabinet. The Usha Mehra Committee report, which inter alia recommended for categorization of scheduled caste into ABCD groups. After formation of the Telangana state, a resolution was also unanimously passed on dated 29 November 2014. All political parties cutting across the party lines and supported for subcategorization of scheduled caste into ABCD groups. And the same has been sent to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and also the Union Government for considering the same by the bringing suitable amendment bill in the Parliament. For generations of the entire Madiga community and its associated most downtrodden minor subcastes of scheduled caste community shall ever remember for your good self mercy for justice to them. Classification of SCs in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh into ABCD group would enable to large sections population of scheduled caste to get their due share of reservation based in their degree of social, culture, literacy, backwardness, and their proportionate population. I would therefore earnestly request the Honorable Prime Minister and also Minister for Social Justice to bring the required Constitution Amendment Bill for categorization of the scheduled caste into ABCD group in this budget session and do the equal justice to all scheduled caste in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The amendment bill for subcategorization of scheduled caste into ABCD will be rendered the equal opportunities to in terms of education employment to a larger extent and would remove imbalance. With these words, I conclude my speech and would request the Union Government to bring the Constitutional Amendment Bill for subcategorization of scheduled caste into ABCD groups in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh in this budget session. Our Honorable CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao also wrote a letter to the Prime Minister, sir. 1 minute. Dear Sri Narendra Modi ji, you are kindly aware of the long-standing demand for subcategorization, scheduled caste. The rationale for the demand is to ensure that the benefits of the reservation and distributed in the equitable manner among different groups of scheduled caste. Immediately after information of Telangana, the State Legislative Assembly passed resolution in June 2014 requesting the Government of India to take steps to complete the process of subcategorization of scheduled caste. As Government of India had not taken any decision in this issue, all political parties in the Telangana Assembly have demanded that an all-party delegation. Okay, sir. Okay. 1 minute. Delegation headed by the Chief Minister should meet the Honorable Prime Minister of India to apprise the importance of the issue and the gravity of situation. I therefore request you to kindly
ठीक है,
direct to concerned ministers,
श्री
social justice,
सुनील
empowerment,
तटकरे जी।
okay, sir, to consider this issue for favorable orders in this regard, sir. So I request the Honorable Social
Okay.
Justice Empowerment Minister to
जी।
kindly consider the issue, take necessary action as
Mr.
early as
Tatkare.
possible, and do justice, sir.
थँक्यू थँक्यू.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, तामिळनाडूच्यासाठी आरक्षणामध्ये घटना दुरुस्तीच्या माध्यमातून बदल करण्यात